We are looking at number 10, calculator section, test 5. So this question is one for which I wouldn't probably use picking numbers to do the question originally, though some people might, but it's a great technique to check your work. That's oftentimes the case with these earlier questions. So which of the following equations gives the mass m in terms of d and v? So look, I always start with this last sentence first. And then we have to go backwards and read what it says in the previous sentence. Now, sometimes it feels like, well, what was the point of that? Well, on a lot of questions, there's a huge benefit of working backwards. So just get in the habit of doing that. And this tells you what kind of a question is. Essentially, we're just trying to get m by itself. That's what this phrase means, m in terms of d and v. So the density is found by dividing mass by volume. So of course, you can just get m by itself by multiplying both sides by v over 1. Right, so canceling those v's out, you get m equals v times d or d times v. So that's answer choice A. But if you were unclear about that, and even if you were clear about that, what I would probably do, backing up here, is I would probably just put values in. Make m equal, when you're dealing with division, you might as well start with the numerator, figure out the denominator, then figure out what it equals. Make m equal 21 and v equal 3. And then d would, of course, have to equal 7. So then we're trying to get 21, which we would get with 3 times 7, answer choice A. Of course, b in the following would be incorrect, because if you looked at b, it would be what? The m value of 21, which of course does not equal the d value of 7 over 3. So on and so forth for these other answer choices. So this is a problem you may not need this approach, but it's a great way to check your work. So hopefully that helps you to some extent.